Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to our channel Welcome to Jannah. As soon as Muharram begins, the memory of the incident of Karbala becomes fresh and everyone expresses their love and devotion for Imam Hussain. Shah Rukh Khan, who is called the King Khan of Bollywood, has also said something on the occasion of Muharram 2024. Shah Rukh Khan said something about Imam Hussain that everyone was surprised by. So don't go anywhere. This news is spreading widely. Who doesn't know superstar Shah Rukh Khan? His fans number in the thousands. But just a few days ago, during an interview, Shah Rukh Khan said that he was more inspired by the personality of Imam Hussain. Like Imam, who had given his all to the truth. If someone sacrifices everything in the name of Allah, that is also a very special thing, since not anyone can do so. Moreover, I do not think that the followers of Imam Hussain are only Muslims, but people of all religions respect Imam Hussain and love him. In our country, we have seen many people who have loved Imam Hussain. When a reporter asked, "What you do in Muharram?" Shah Rukh Khan said that I mostly worship in Muharram. When the reporter asked that we saw that you were distributing something outside the house, Shah Rukh Khan smiled and said that on the 10th of Muharram, special halwa is prepared at my home, which is eaten by many orphans, because I have heard that the more you feed people on the day of Ashura, the more you receive from Allah. So on such an important occasion, remember your poor brothers who are oppressed by many cruel dictators and support them. I am hero on screen, he is hero in real life. We can also say that we are fans of Imam Hussain because in my life I have not seen so much bravery. I try to be able to keep the fast on 10th of Muharram because this fast is very important and it is also rewarded. When he was asked to tell us something about Imam Hussain so that we too could learn something from him, Shah Rukh Khan said, his life has set an example. Imam Hussain has influenced many and we consider him as an admiration. Just as we see him as personality who is good in every way. We see Hazrat Imam Hussain as a leader who spread peace and thought well for all. He did not think about life. He fulfilled the promise he made to his grandfather, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And when the time came, he did not bow down to the oppressor, but dusted him off. I also learned from Imam Hussain, do many good deeds and fulfill them, no matter how powerful a person stands in front of you. So my dear people, this is the thought of Shah Rukh Khan. It is the thought of every person who shares love, who doesn't like wars. The incident of Karbala also sends a message to the world war. Do not take the initiative in war and oppression because Hazrat Hussain tried to avoid the war till the end.